Hello all. So we had done with our prelims May 28th. Those who are crossing in General Studies 78 and CSAT 66.67. This is the right time to prepare your mains examination. Please, this is the 90 days which is very important. In order to help you, me and Santosh Rao sir, both we are coming together for your ranks, for your betterment in mains examination with ethics, essay and complete GS2 mentorship. So how this program is going to be there, we are going to explain you. So first of all, it is online as well as offline. You will be having 1 year validity so that it will be helpful for your 2024 mains as well. There will be classes, there will be test series, there will be mentorship. Three things, my dear friends: classes, test series and mentorship. Any queries with respect to our academy or the course, you can call to that number. So in this particular program, we both are coming up with essay. So online and offline classes will be there. In this, not only classes, but also the most effective way ethics classes for your mains as well as essay classes for the sake of your mains and GS2 mentorship exclusive targeting 2023 mains. So ethical dilemmas, I will be teaching you the ethics with real-time examples, and essay classes will be conducted by me and Santosh Rao sir. Ethics classes will be conducted by me, and most important friends, 12 tests will be there, 6 ethics tests and 6 essay tests, and GS2 personal mentorship by Santosh Rao sir, and 1 year validity will be there. So before that, I am very happy to announce that our student Uma Harati All India Rank 3, as well as this is our success rate, not from one-day mock interviews, it's from our classroom program. So we are very happy. Most of them are from our classroom program. So with this result, we want to continue in 2023 as well. So before that, how to prepare essay? How to prepare for essay? Yes, sir.
Before we start how to prepare for essay, why we are concentrating on the essay? Why Vishnu IAS is coming up with the essays as well as ethics? If you look at the mark sheets of the rankers, most of the times essay and ethics are the killing factors. These are the deciding factors, and it is deciding whether you are into the service or not. And these are the ones deciding in your service selections also. So we can say undoubtedly that essay is the low-hanging fruit. That means if you put some efforts, your score will be immediately jump from hundreds into the 120s and 130s. If you are scoring around 80s and 90s, that will be around more than 100. So that kind of value addition is very big in the essays compared with the GS. And why we are concentrating on the ethics as well? Because in the ethics, case studies are not appropriately comprehension done by the students. Will help you out. Ethical dilemmas when you are becoming a government servant. So with the condition, when you are facing the contradicting conditions, how fair idea you must get. Because me and sir both we are the law graduates. When we are the law graduate means obviously the perception of law will be different. So we can add that kind of perception into your preparation. And further details I will explain. So please.
This mark sheet. See, yes. See, if you see Uma Harati All India Rank 3, essay marks are 119. Whereas in ethics it is 132. If you notice this, essay marks is 119 and ethics marks is 132. In the same process, if you see the mark sheet of Nidhi Pai, she also got almost the same 118, but she got 113 in ethics. Means ethics is determining factor. This is one classic example. But there are other examples whereby because of less marks in essay as well, they didn't clear the examination. My own students are there. So my dear friends, optional, essay, ethics, you have to prepare die hard. And GS2 examples you can use in your essay, why? Because polity, constitution, governance, international relations, you can use in the ethics, you can use in your optional as well. So if you are strong in this particular 3 streams, essay, ethics as well as GS2, we are sure that you will get more than 500 marks in GS 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So how our essay program is going to be there? So if you see, as I told you, how the essay preparation should be there, we made a very good system. Please friends, online should be an optional, it should not be a compulsion. So those who are writing the mains, go for offline ecosystem and write the exams in the offline ecosystem. Number 1, practice in the examination hall, go to a test center and write the essays. Number 2, please focus on previous year's essay questions, how they are, how the philosophical essays are there. Focus on previous essays. Third, there is no requirement of verbosity, there is no requirement of flowery language. Write in a simple language, very simple language. And we will be teaching the classes with a simple English, so 100% will be helpful for you. And use the quotes of the great personalities, but don't alter it. Don't change it as it is. For example, eye to eye makes the whole world blind. One of my students forgotten it and written that hand to hand make all the people disabled. No. We should not make such mistakes. Quotations as it is we have to use. And a good handwriting always make a sense, but that good handwriting should continue with simple sentences. And don't guess in the examination hall. Write precisely, avoid guessing. And introductory paragraph and conclusion paragraphs are very, very important. For example, in the first two essays you will be writing, in the first essay, already when I am evaluating your essay, first essay, I get an impression on you. In the second essay, I will not have patience. Evaluator, examiner will not have the patience. So he will look into introductory paragraph and conclusion paragraph. So you have to give exclusive focus on introductory paragraph as well as conclusion paragraph. So we will give a ready-made introductory paragraphs as well as conclusion paragraphs in your essay classes as well as in the essay model answers which we do. Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
We will be giving very ready-made so that it will fetch marks. And you may show inferences, as I told you, concluding paragraphs as well as introductions are very, very important. And what essays we are going to cover, sir?
Yes, we are going to cover a wide range of essays. First, we will help you out how an essay should be structured, like introduction, like sir told, body and conclusion. Once you are pretty much comfortable with the general skeleton of the essay, then we will add the flesh to that skeleton. In which way? We will add certain dimensions. We take certain classes. As MAIS sir, already we are taking the essay classes for so much of long time, we can add some perspective. And I am also as a current affairs faculty, sir also teach with some current issues. We can add the current affairs perspective to your essays in terms of social and national issues, S&T oriented ones, international issues, environmental, economy and philosophical essays as well. So when we are adding the content to you and also when we are giving the structure to you, you are having certain content when you are appearing in the exam, so that you won't phased out by looking at the question, and will help you out whatever the way question will come, how to decipher the essay and how to brainstorm will help in the classroom, because you can't just start directly, like essay. First you have to do the brainstorming. What is the brainstorming? What points you have to make out? Within this short time, you can't get that kind of value addition, okay? So by sitting alone in your room. So we will at least try to allocate your valuable time, 2 hours of your time in a day. Rest of the time you can read on your own. But in the 2 hours, we'll do our best to do quality value addition to your preparation. Definitely it will jump. Each mark helps important a lot. So definitely we'll add at least in your preparation in our course, essay course, 20 to 30 marks. That is for sure we will add that quality addition.
100%, sir. And one more thing, we planned it. We are also working with you. It's not just randomly we are coming and taking the classes. We are working, we are preparing so that a very good content reaches you. This particular essay program will be for 15 sessions. Each session will be for 2 hours. 30 hours of essay classes you will be getting, and nearly, my dear friends, 90 essays we will be discussing in the class. Why? Because 30 hours means huge. So nearly 60 to 90 essays we will be discussing, and we will be giving you the draft, how an essay should be there. A structure will be provided to you, and the classes will be interactive. We recommend offline classes, but if anyone takes online also, no problem. It will be interactive sessions so that we will take ideas from you. We take ideas from you and we will implement and we will develop the essay. So this particular program is going to be for 15 sessions. Essay sessions are 15, in which we are going to take 6 tests and 15 sessions. Social and national issues, 5 classes means 10 hours. Science and technology, 2 classes means 4. For example, there was a question, technology is panacea for all the problems. Such type of essays we will be discussing. International issues, 2 classes. For example, G2, G20. Now we are the leader for G20. Expected question from G20 this time. Philosophical essays, UPSC favorite question, philosophical essays. So how to do philosophical essays also? I took 2 philosophical topics and I will be discussing those as well. Environmental issues, 2 classes compulsory. Environment impact assessment, favorite question for UPSC. And economy based question, 1 class, for example, on recession or any economic downturn or accident, recent accident, infrastructure, Indian Railways accident. So any of this will be asked. So we will be giving you very good content with respect to this essay program. Not only this, we will conduct 6 tests. 2 tests on social issues, 1 test on S&T, 1 test on international relations, 2 tests on philosophical essays, 6 tests will be there. We will be evaluating, and you will be also having one-to-one mentorship, how to write a very good answer. So overall, 30 hours of essay classes and 6 tests with evaluation, with model answers, with mentorship, my dear friends. See, we are promising it with evaluation, with model essays, and one-to-one mentoring on essays about the written tests. So who are going to take? Yes, sir.
Yes, as you are listening this video, so both Vishnu Sir and me, we are going to discuss about range of topics. Okay. So here on the screen you can see these are the topics I am going to explain to you. I am going to interact with you, and these are the ones. So more or less all the themes are sharing by both of us. So we will contribute, we'll add value addition in these respective thematic areas. Social and national issues, 2 sessions, 4 hours S&T, 2 hours IR, 2 philosophical essay, and environmental issues. In the same way, Vishnu Sir is also contributing. These are the domains Sir is also contributing. More or less, we are contributing on both the areas, and each session consists of 2 hours.
And total 30 hours. See, my dear friends. One teacher, sometimes what happened, we will get a perspective of one teacher. That is the reason we decided that we both will do together. So that if I miss something, this faculty will not miss. If this faculty miss, this faculty will not miss. So we both will be taking the responsibility of your essay. If you really want to score more than 120 marks, here we are to support you, to help you for your success. Not only essay classes.
And one more thing, sir, I would like to add, because already sir is into the anthropology optional, so I will add the value of social things, human perspective, and all these things. I am from the PSIR side, I can add the political perspective, international perspective. So the perspective can be matched in your essay also.
How to prepare ethics? Ethics is also very important. Now only we notice Uma Harati got All India rank 3. It's not only because of anthropology optional, but also because of ethics marks. 132 marks she got. Please remember it. Avoid reading more books. Keep your resources very, very limited. Number 1. Number 2, read at least 2 times before making final notes. That final notes, you have to read it. That should be your revision notes. Third, most important is case studies. I am exclusively going to discuss nearly 100 case studies in the classroom, deciphering from your side with your ideas, memorizing keywords like fortitude, integrity, honesty, the words we have to use, the importance of the words, accountability, responsibility, transparency, accordingly we have to use. That words we will be memorizing in the classroom. Use these keywords writing in your mock tests. Articulation, most important. It's all about ideas, how we put it together. Example, case study, how we all add together, how we mix up together, and we express on our paper is very important. So in this particular session, we will be articulating, we will be making together. So in a best way, how you can write an answer. And I will be doing your evaluation of your ethics paper one-to-one. So hence you can write a very good ethics answers and you can get nearly 130 marks. But if you prepare with me parallelly, go through previous years and make notes, frequently asked keywords. Examples are the heart and soul. Examples, case studies are very, very important. Relevant examples, current affairs example, contemporary examples, not only domestic examples, we have to take international examples as well. So in this way, I am going to do the ethics paper. In this 6 tests will be there, 4 tests will be on theory part, 2 tests will be on case studies. Evaluation will be there, doubt clearing sessions will be there, one-to-one mentoring on exams. We will have a one-to-one session for all the tests, for all the 6, so that you can improve. Where to improve? See friends, mentorship means what? Mentorship means nothing but giving time. We both are ready to give time for your success. 2023 is important for you, 2023 is also important for us. In this note, Sir is going to take GS2 mains mentorship as well.
Yes, so in general studies too, as a polity and international relations faculty, we are going to discuss about if you are, for example, if you are subscribed any test series at our Vishnu IAS or somewhere else, if you are unable to write any answers in GS2, we will help you out in summarizing the answers, especially in the polity point of view and IR point of view, and the test series and previous year questions papers will be help you. I mean, I'll help you out.
1 minute. Yes, excuse me. See, what does Sir told? So it's not only our test series. If you write any test series outside also, we are ready. We are open for evaluation.
Yes, if for example, if you are from somewhere else, some other city in India, where you have subscribed already to some other test series, don't worry. If you are getting some marks in the test series, you can send to our institution. So we'll help you out why that you got less marks. Sometimes you may be the right, evaluator may be giving the less marks, so it will kill your confidence To avoid that, we'll help you out, and one-to-one mentorship. In the mentorship, sometimes you may not be very clear with the basic concepts like federalism and constitutionalism. In those center-state relations, in that areas, we will help you out. Fundamental rights, sunshine laws, new laws are coming up. And finally, the notes of the GS2 also, that kind of assistance also will be helpful to you. At least we'll try to help you out, ready-made notes based upon your requirements.
So if you notice, as I discussed already, it is the ethics for Umaharati and the optional very deciding. And for Nidhi, it is optional, but however, she got very good marks in essay as well, 118. She and Umaharati both got 2 in essay, because of which she got 110 ranks, but because of less marks in ethics, we are analyzing it, 113, she got 110 rank. See, my dear friends, if it would be 133, she would be all India rank 10 below. So, optional, ethics, essay, most important. GS2 you can use anywhere as an example, as a quotations, anywhere. So, if you focus upon this, 100% you will get very good result. You will attend the UPSC interview. We are ready for any queries. We are ready for helping you. We are ready for mentorship if you are ready.
Yes, sir. So these are the value addition we are providing. If you are willing to, if you are sincere enough to come and attend the sessions, want to add value in your preparation so that your success can be propelled out. If that is the case with you, if you want some value addition, if you want some suggestion, a good friend, a handing hold together, then obviously we will help you out. Don't worry, don't get panic. You will get a good result out of the prelims, and we will be here always to help you out in your preparation.
And finally, friends, see, for everything no need to go for Delhi. Delhi is it Hyderabad, or Delhi people are coming to Hyderabad, and in one academy people are bombarded. Few academies, we are going to take limited seats. For our essay, ethics and GS2, we are going to take only 50. Not more than 50 admissions. And if you go any big names, brand names, thousands of people will be writing. Who will be taking care about you? Please think about it. It is a handhold approach. It is one-to-one mentorship, which we will be guaranteeing at Vishnu IAS Academy. All the best. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much for watching.